welcome to Health Insider. Today we're going to explain how to do 16-8 intermittent fasting, step by step. Watch till the end because we've covered all the main points that will help you reach the best results. Step number 1, understand what 16-8 intermittent fasting actually is. 16-8 is a form of fasting when you eat during the 8-hour window and you fast for the remaining 16 hours. We'll get to eating and fasting windows in more detail just a bit later, so keep watching. Also, there are no specific restrictions on what you should eat during the 8-hour window, making intermittent fasting extremely flexible and easy to manage compared to other exhausting diets. Even though the word fasting may sound pretty scary, don't confuse it with starvation. It's not the same. During intermittent fasting, you're always in control when you fast. Step number 2, know the benefits of intermittent fasting. The 16-8 fasting schedule has become insanely popular in recent years, especially among those who want to lose weight and burn fat. But there's more. Intermittent fasting has tons of health benefits, including improving blood sugar, boosting brain function, preventing type 2 diabetes, reducing the risk of heart disease, extending longevity, and boosting metabolism. We could go on and on about the scientifically proven benefits of intermittent fasting, but these are some of the main reasons why people choose intermittent fasting over other restrictive diets. Also, most experts agree that 16 hours of fasting is exactly where you start to see the benefits. Step number 3, choose a suitable time frame for eating and fasting. First of all, choose the most convenient timing when to fast and when to eat. We suggest choosing one of the following 8-hour eating windows: 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., or 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Most people choose to fast throughout the night, skip breakfast, and eat in the middle of the day. Remember, it's best to avoid food 2 to 3 hours before bed. Step number 4, manage your eating window. The 16-8 fasting method doesn't strictly specify which foods to eat and completely avoid, yet it's still really important to focus on healthy eating and limit or completely avoid junk food. The most important rule: eat enough food to make your fasting window easier. You shouldn't consume less than 1,200 calories a day. Otherwise, you'll eventually end up binge eating, which will lead to unwanted weight gain. To prevent that, start planning your meals in advance for non-fasting windows. Here's the list that you should include in your daily meal plan. Remember, eat clean and don't let yourself eat everything that gets in your way. If you manage to be strategic about your food choices, you'll have no issues with your fasting window. Step number 5, start your fasting window. Okay, so you ate all your meals during the eating window, got all the nutrients you need, and now you're ready to start fasting. That's easier than you think. During the specific hours, you just stop eating. Of course, we're not gonna lie, at first you will get hungry. It's simply because your body isn't used to going long periods without food. But after a 3 to 5 day transition, it will get easier. During the fasting window, you can only drink water and sugarless drinks because any sugary drink will break your fast. It is really important to keep up your water intake. Water cleanses out your whole system and effectively removes toxins from your body. Drinking water regularly can help you reduce your calorie intake because people often mistake thirst for hunger. Step number 6, break your fast correctly. Some people feel like breaking a fast is an invitation to eat tons of processed high-calorie foods. Well, it's not. You should remember this golden rule. When you break your fast, you should never combine fats and carbs in one meal. This is because combining fats and carbs all together leads to gaining weight. Break your fast by eating one or the other, fats or carbs with protein. Another tip: have some apple cider vinegar before breaking your fast. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to a glass of water and drink it before starting your eating window. This mix will start to stimulate your digestive tract, preparing it for food. So, what should you have for your very first meal after the fast? We recommend starting with leafy greens like spinach or kale since they have loads of nutrients and minerals. You can add some olive oil and can combine with poultry or fish. Another great option is to eat cruciferous vegetables, such as Brussels sprouts, broccoli, or cauliflower, since they are also high in nutrients and fiber. You can also add avocado, nuts, seeds, if you're still hungry after your meal. Step number 7. Make sure that 16-8 is suitable for you. Even though intermittent fasting is safe for most people, it may not be appropriate for those who have some medical conditions. Fasting can be dangerous if you have diabetes, low blood sugar, and digestion issues. Also, you should avoid fasting if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, and if you have a history of eating disorders. Make sure you talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet. Step number 8. What's next? Now you know how to do the 16-8 fasting method step by step. But that's not it. There are more intermittent fasting methods out there that offer their own benefits. If you want to find out more about them or even try them out, check out our intermittent fasting playlist. And if you feel you're struggling with hunger pangs while fasting, watch the video where we give tips on how to reduce them. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching Health Insider.